Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today I want to show you a new property, a new project, which is one of the most trending projects right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So I'm going to visit one of our newest estates known as the Core City Alliance Estate. Now, this particular estate is located at Independence Layout Phase 2. So this is actually called the New Enugu. So I want you to join us on a drive-through video while I show you this recent location. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get first class information or first hand information when I drop them. So join us as we visit Core City Alliance Estate, Enugu State. So as you can see, this particular estate is one of the fastest developing estates right now in Enugu State, Nigeria, and it's been developed by the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation. As you can see, they've already started construction of the dual carriage road that will lead down to this particular estate. Now, this estate is close to Goshen Estate, is close to Premier Layout, is close to Bricks Estate, is also close to the new Kenyetta market. So as you can see, there are houses around. So this particular estate is a buy and build estate right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. Now I want you to stick back as I show you the latest development happening currently in this particular estate. Now, Core City Alliance Estate was launched this year, and they've started perimeter fencing. They've done perimeter fencing in this particular estate, and they've done a lot of work. They've gone so far in this particular estate. A lot of investors are coming in to buy properties here. A lot of real estate companies are coming in to buy properties here, and that is why you see the project going so fast. Now, if you are an investor looking at to invest in this particular project, do well to contact us so that we can get you the best deal that would benefit you while you run your investment in this particular estate. Now, we are very close to the entrance gate of this particular estate. Now, watch and stick to the end.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today we are at Core City Eastern Alliance Estate, which is located at Independence Layout Phase 2, so also known as New Enugu. Behind me you can see that there are a lot of constructions happening currently at Core City Eastern Alliance Estate. Now, this project is going to be a massive one right here in Enugu State. The hands of Governor Peter Amba is in this particular estate. So they are planning to make here the next New Enugu. We have properties that are for sale in this particular estate. Now, this particular estate was zoned into three categories. We have the low density, we have the low density, we have the high density, and we have the medium density. Now, the plot size for this particular densities differs. Now, for the high density, we have 500 square meters, of which they are selling for 40 million naira. 500 square meters, 40 million naira. Then for the low density, we have 1,000 square meters, of which they are selling for 75 million naira. Now, for the medium density, we have 750 square meters, of which they are selling for 55 million naira. Now, the sweet thing about this particular project is that all the beacons are on ground and they've facilitated the road. From the video you see there, they've facilitated the road and every other thing. So all you need to do is just to buy and then they show you your particular plot. Now, this particular project is being developed by the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation. So when you buy from us, we'll give you a housing allocation paper, a deed of assignment, and a power of attorney. So this particular estate is close to Independence Layout, it's close to Bricks Estate, it's close to Goshen Estate. It is at Premier Layout itself, and it's just 15 minutes drive away from the Akanibiam International Airport. So the same developer that did for Diamond Estate, WTC Estate, and Gulf Estate, they are the ones handling this particular project. So this particular project is set to increase in price and speed up in development between now and next year. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consult so we can help you secure a plot at this particular estate. Now, behind me are some bungalows that we are developing currently in this particular estate. Yes, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow, and we also have a section for duplexes. So if you are interested in getting a bungalow, buying it outrightly, then you have to send me a DM so that I can give you the payment plan and every other thing. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.
So like I said, this is one of the fastest developing estates right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. As you can see from this video, you see that they are already building up structures in this particular estate. So to be part of this amazing project, do well to reach out to Josh Consult so we can bring you here for inspection and booking. Don't forget, we are your #1 real estate company right here in the city of Enugu, and we'll bring you profitable real estate investment that will help your portfolio and also help you gain easy cash flow. Do well to call the number on your screen, and thank you for watching.